In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Fortnite skill-based matchmaking. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is check your account level. So new or low level accounts get easier lobbies and high levels account face pretty sweaty and high level accounts face sweatier players. So if you are playing on casual mode like Zero Build, Team Rumble, or Creative, these modes have less strict SBMM compared to ranked, because ranked is going to be completely the same elo you're playing on. If you're having a hard time competing, simply go ahead and take break. Taking break for a few hours or days can help you reset to your recent match performance in the settings. And if you want to go ahead and play with the low MMR, then you can simply go ahead and lose some matches, land in bot spots, avoid fights, and then don't get many eliminations. You can also simply go ahead and drop your high kills and lose your SBMM, trying to keep your performance average. So if that is not the case, you can also go ahead and turn on crossplay, and you can also change your matchmaking region if you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.